Hi, I'm Hi-Fi Shane, and let's cut through the noise. Now here you have a cheap cable interconnect, okay? And here you have something that looks like this. Now the thing is, why would you spend a lot of money on your speaker cable? Why? For example, if you've spent 500,000 dirhams on your sound system, you want to make sure that your cables are not the weakest link. You just don't want to connect it to something that's bought from a regular hardware store, just a piece of wire that's connecting on something that you've spent hundreds of thousands of dirhams on. Now the thing is, in order to make it not the weakest point on your system, we need to understand that there is a lot of engineering, there's a lot of technicalities that goes into the speaker system and the cables that make sure that it's the perfect match for your speakers and your amplification. Now the thing is, when it comes to cables, sound systems were designed so that copper is the best way of conducting the signal from your amplifier to your speakers. Yes? Now by changing the composition of the cables, now you could add silver, you could add any kind of element into it, and of course it will change the way that your sound sounds. The question is that what it was designed to do in the first place? Now, if you're just looking for change, yes, go ahead, spend all your money, change your cables and everything. But it's copper, and a little bit of changes, that's what makes the difference. This is why you need expert advice when it comes to choosing the right cables for your sound system. I'm Hi-Fi Shane, and that's your signal.